Try to make him do that again, Sammy.
Owen. He's not even watching me.
Do this one, Emma. With the hands. Well, put your cup down, baby.
Oh, look.
Put your cup down.
Owen.
No.
No!
Don't even think of it, naughty. Owen, do I have to take your cup away?
No.
Okay, then don't spill it. Thank you. Don't splash your hands in it either. Hey, Owen, did you see birds up in the sky today? Were they flying over you? What did you say to those birds?
Lay down.
Told them to get down? Were they naughty birds? Were those naughty birds? Were they so naughty? She said, get down. Did you tell them to get down? Are you a silly baby?
Lay down.
Tell them to get down.
Walking plates? When you were walking, did you see one?
Do you like birds?
Get down, baby Owen. No. Owen, can you go get Owen?